Hey. Hello everybody, it's Jessica from Tonsita Johnson, and today my daughter and I are going to review the new WAVER from KIPOZI. We're going to review.
Review.
Review. Yeah. And we're going to what? Review. And today my daughter and I are going to review the new WAVER from KIPOZI. So we're going to leave you the link in the description box when you want to try it. Check it out. It's going to leave your hair this wonderful beach waves that we combined here in a boho style with some rope twist braid, French braids and a fishtail braid. Let's turn around. And I think we just get started. If you're new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you always get a notification when we are uploading a new video. Thank you so much.
That word really was a challenge for me. We are starting now with heat protection and then preheating, which goes super quick with the KIPOZI WAVER on the highest degrees. Trencita has a lot of hair and very thick hair. And thank you KIPOZI, they gave us with the curling wand also these gloves because the burn marks that I have already on my left hand are enough for this year. So go section by section and I add the new position of the curling wand always in the last wave that I did in the first. And this was our very first try. And look her reaction. Yeah, they are amazing. Look at her face. Pure happiness. So just go through section by section. The tool is awesome, really, I love it so much. And one tip that I can give you to make last the curls longer, use also a part of the heat protection, some hairspray. You can add it after you did the curls or just right before. These beautiful curls need a boho hairstyle, so I'm leaving some strands in the front out and then 2 fingers I leave some space in the front and I start the first braid as a rope twist braid in more or less the middle of the head. Make it fluffy. This is going to be a boho style, so just pancaking, and it should reach until the middle of her head. Should reach behind like this. Do the same on the other side. Just twist into one direction and bring over to the other. Now I'm going to do a simple French braid. Split into 3 and bring right over the middle, left over the middle until you reach again the middle of the head behind, and don't forget to pancake. Same thing on the other side. Just pull gently at the outer edges, tie off with a tiny elastic and then bring the 4 braids together. Just arrange them like you like it, and then I do with the 4 braids another rope twist braid and I'm putting them together tied up into a little bun. Use some bobby pins and bring the little bun into its place. And now the only thing we're going to do is adding a 5th braid, and this is going to be a fishtail braid. We have videos where I show you the braiding techniques step by step, so check them out if you don't know how to do it. And here you see I'm not using a hair tie because I thought it would look ugly for this style, so I'm just teasing it upwards and then pin some of the strands from the front with a bobby pin behind the ear to have just those slightly curled 2 little strands in the front. And here is our final result. Please leave us a comment down below. Where would you like to wear this kind of style? And what do you like better actually? These boho kind of styles or better our tight ponytails with cornrows and whatever? I really would like to know that. She is so happy. I had to do curls already twice this week again. So if you would like to try this one, check in the description box. I will link you the product. And yeah, have a great day and thank you so much for watching. And for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the little bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Muchas gracias por vuestro apoyo. Hasta luego. See you soon. Bye bye.